Yeah, let's take on another journey. I don't know if the other shops are open. It's a bit early now. Oh my god! May I tell you, it is... I.
DJ said that, you know, say I hear the dance. That's what she sleep, that's what she slide up. I make her push it inside up. Then what I can ride up.
Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and you know what? Subscribe. So you know, today is a Monday. I just come back from work. I'm a little bit tired, but you know what? Life of iguan. So, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put some washing in. I'm gonna have a bath, relax, have something to eat, and just chill. So guess what? Thanks for tuning in. You know, I drop a video. I start back vlogging again. I drop a video, and I went in a little detail about my dad, but when I feel more comfortable, I will upload something else, or I'll talk about it or something. I'm not sure yet because the struggle is real. Because it was the love of my life. Anyway, sometimes you're gonna see me dolled up in videos. Sometimes you're gonna see the raw truth. Because tell me, when you're at home, do you dress up? No. Do you wear makeup? I don't think so. So, if you don't like to see me when I'm being myself, scroll on. But you know, it's the real thing. You're gonna see the true me, the real me. And that's about it. So you know what? Stick and steer, as they would say. And follow the thing. But I might show you what I'm doing and I might not. So let's see how it goes, right? Hey, Wagwan, as you can see, I'm watered. I had my bath in my bed. I'm gonna go under the covers and eat something. Yes, me are eating on my bed and you can't stop it. But I'm extremely tired now. So this is it for today. This is my routine. I go work, come back and work here. Same way. Tidy up after the family. But the lighting of the bedroom is so bad. I need one of those light. I have one, but not work good, yeah, man. So when me see you, when I'm doing something, cause you know my life can be boring. Wagwan, today is another day. It's like might be many days after I've long first, but Wagwan just come from work. Oh my god. And I'm gonna give myself a proper facial because I don't know what's wrong with my face, but it's having some things on it and this girl don't like it. So take that from there. I'm gonna have a proper facial, and then I'm gonna redo my hair and have a proper bath, which may be use my trusty old Epsom salt and soak these tired bone here. This girl is so tired, so maybe this will refreshing and rejuvenate myself, who knows. And then after that I got a new tablet. I need to go fix it up and see it works and see if it can help me feel like do some editing and things. Could I? My battery is finishing. The battery is 0, so you know if you cut off how it goes. This girl have to go change the battery. And what I need next, because the sun is coming out and the girl need to be outside. From me outside and the potty and I had to say hi. So I need to do that. Yeah, sun I come out. Next week gonna be hot. I need to go to the shop and get one of those foot peel things and get this foot up and running. But you know what? It's a new day. Let me go redo my redo my hair. But before I do that, let me go and change this battery and I'll be back. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but what was I saying? Tell me. The sun is coming out and look how easy is that. And I need to get that foot mask that you know what, do strip off your foot and make it look pretty, because this girl needs to be in slippers, right? Because the sun is coming out. You see, this is my hair. The sun is coming out and this girl needs to be outside. I think I said that before, yeah. I want to be outside and doing outside activities. Because, you know, this weekend is going to be good. There's a festival, but all the people that I work, most of the people I work with, they are going, but I'm not, because this girl don't have £80 to pay for a ticket. I'm sorry. £80 is too much. £80 too much for a ticket. I could find that to do something else. And plus, look how the price is going up for everything. Everything is expensive. We soon can't live. We soon can't eat. Petrol is expensive. Cost of living gone up. And people need to survive and need to eat. So I can't afford that. If I get a free ticket, because you know this girl is very frugal. So if I get a free ticket, then that's fine. My hair is itching me so bad. It needs to be washed, but I can't wash my hair yet until the weekend because I need to go to work and it have to do what it's doing. So I got some stuff from Temu I need to show you guys. Therefore, it's like some summery things, but I don't know. I took them out the package already and I put them up. It's just I don't have the time, man, to go and look for them. I should have done that before, but as you know, I did pause vlogging for a while, but now I'm taking it back up and see how it go on, right? I just hope you subscribe and leave a comment, and you know, if you like my vlog, just leave a like too. It will be much appreciated. And you know, you're gonna get all type of things. You're gonna get me reality check at home, then some holiday vlogs and stuff like that. So maybe a little bit of clothes haul, maybe a little bit of everything. Just reality that everything that I do in my life. I'm using the Eco Gel for my hair, which it's very soft. It doesn't make my hair stiff. As you can see, I can comb it out. It's so easy, and just do it just like that. You know, some gel you use and it make your hair very like, what's the word I want? You know what I'm saying? It makes your hair stuck to your head, can't move. But this one you can comb it out, and this is my little top. This is what I wear to work. I put some bobby pins for safety. So the picnic them not drag it out and thing. And then I'm considering let me try this YouTube thing again. So now I'm gonna have a bath, get my facial, and when I'm finished I'll show you my facial routine. So I'll see you all in a minute, I guess. I'm back. Look, I look so fresh like green leaf. Anyway, but finish, feel fresh and rejuvenated. Now I'm gonna clean off my face and do my little thing before I eat my dinner and hit the sack. I'm using some alcohol to clean my face because I like to clean off the excess dirt. Look, my lashes are hanging on for dear life. Somebody can't help me out. You can't feel sorry for me and doing lashes them. I know, because I'm trying to let these last for a little. My neighbors, they're outside, they're making so much noise because you know what? I don't even know if you can hear, but when it's the sun is out, everyone comes out. So I think they're riding bike, the kids, they're riding bike and stuff like that. I use this to keep down my hair and then I tie it later. But somebody need to just sorry for me and help me out with the lashes. If not, they've got to survive until when I'm on holiday. That's next week. I'll just get it done. So first I'm gonna use this. Name too big. I don't know if you can see. Focus. I'm gonna use it to give a little drop on my facey face. Yeah, I'm gonna rub it in. Keep me young, fresh and green. And then I'm going to use some face and body oil just to keep it moist. Because when my face is dried out, oh my god, you get so stiff. So, I'm so clumsy. It's all on my clothes. But this is it for me for the evening. This is my wind down routine. I don't even have much because guess what? I'm hardly outside, but this girl gonna go outside soon, Bob. Catch me when you catch me. But guess what? Later. What's popping everything, buddy? Wagwan. Today's another day. Listen, outside the sun is hot. The weather are going for itself today. Today is, I think, Thursday. So as you see, my face is glowing. Because guess what? Can you imagine? I'm living my best life in my, because I'm what, 50 and celebrating it with pride. But I need to tell you, woke up this morning from having some jollof rice from my friend yesterday. Love jollof rice. It's one of the best African meal I know I can eat and enjoy. But oh my god, it was so spicy. And you know what? My fault. One of my friends, he gave one of my friends it as well the day before. And she warned me, you know. She told me, said, Janet, I don't know how you don't eat spicy, so I don't know how you're going to manage. But I didn't believe her because I didn't even bring any lunch myself. So it's like I had no choice. Because I've ate jollof rice from him before and he never do me nothing. But once I eat, I couldn't even eat off the whole plate. My tummy and my chest was hurting. So last night, I spent the whole night TMI on the toilet. The whole night, I get up the whole day, my chest was killing me. So you know what? Gonna give jollof rice a break because African people, they cook with too much pepper, man. It's too spicy and not everybody they're like, oh, but you're Jamaican, blah blah blah. But not every Jamaican like pepper. It's too spicy. And that's a regret that I want to repeat. Anyway, the bank holiday is coming up I don't know, because it says the weather gonna be fine. So let's navigate life and see where it takes us, because I like to vlog, but my vlog is mostly being at home. And see, I like to vlog in this space because the light is so good. I need to get one of those. I've got one, it needs battery, and know how to attach it on the camera and stuff like that. So that is the thing I'm gonna do next. I need to get some Duracell batteries, some battery that can last long. But now I'm home, I need to go and cook something. I've got meat that is seasoned